Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in the previous video, we have discussed about revenue by top 10 customers between April to July 2011 and compared it with total revenue between April to July 2011 by country. Okay, so in this video, we will discuss about customers but as a dynamically. Why dynamically? Dynamically means and there are no fixed value. Okay, previous video we have discussed about top 10 customers only, but in this video dynamically means top 5 customers, top 10, 15, 20, like this it will go. So how you can achieve this, let's discuss. Okay, so first of all, we created a DAX function that was revenue by top 10 customers between April to July 2011, but here we took it as n, top n customers. Okay, but the calculation will be slightly different. Okay, first of all, calculate, it will be always be there, calculate total revenue first, then on the top n function, on the top n section, we took selected value function. So what selected value do? Selected value selects a single value. Okay, selected value what does? Selects a single value. So what is the difference between values and selected value? Because both are here. Values returns a table. Okay, values returns a table, but selected value returns a single value. So what is the single value? Single value is top n customers, top n customer table. So what is the top n customer table? For this we have to create another table. So for this we have to go home tab, then enter data. Here we can create our own table. So write like top n, then we have we can create like 5, 10, 15, 20, like this. But I have already created this table, I am not repeating it. Okay, so what selected value will do? Selected value will take these values dynamically. Okay, so the table we have created 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, these values selected value will take dynamically. If we select 5, selected value will pick up only 5. If we select 25, selected value will pick up only 25. On this basis, top n selected value from this table, top n customers, on the n it will be like 25, top 25 customers, then all customer name, then total revenue between April to July 2011, then descending, then normal it was like values. So like this it will go dynamically. So if you run this, you can see here, if I select top 5 customers, then it will create this is top 5, the lighter one is top 5 and the darker one is total revenue. Top 5 customers revenue versus if there is a 50 customers, then darker one is revenue by 50 customers and the lighter one is revenue by top 5 customers. Like this, if we select 10, then top 10 customers and versus total customers, all the customers they have. Okay, 15, 20, 25, like this. So like this we can create a dynamic top n function. Okay, so I think this tutorial you have understood this tutorial, and if you like my video, please comment, please share my video, please subscribe my video. If you have any doubt, please put in the comment section. Support my channel. Thank you guys, thank you.